Oh no, the screen is black. It does not work. Come on, start! Please start! Nothing. No music, no messages. Oh, still no power. The phone is dead. Why? Why are you not working? I tried to charge you. Still nothing. No light, no sound. Without my phone, I feel completely lost. I cannot play music. I cannot check messages. I cannot even see the time. This is so bad. What do I do now? Okay, do not panic, Emma. Do not panic. Good morning, Emma. Why do you look so stressed? Hi, Anna. My phone. Look, the screen is black. It will not turn on. Oh, that is sad. Did you charge it? Yes, I tried. No light, no sound, nothing. Maybe the battery is broken. Without my phone, I feel lost. I cannot play music. I cannot check messages. I cannot even see the time. Do not panic. Let's take it to the repair shop. Maybe they can fix it. The repair shop? Where? On Green Street, near the cafe. We can walk there. Okay, I have no choice. Let's go. Come on, it is a beautiful morning. Without my phone, I feel so nervous. Without my phone, I feel so nervous. I cannot check the time. I cannot listen to music. Do not worry. Look around you, Emma. The morning is beautiful. Maybe, but it feels strange. Usually I just look at my screen. Try to look outside, Emma. The street, the people, the shops. There are so many shops here. I never really looked before. Yes, this street is always here, but you always look down at your phone. The trees are so tall. I never noticed them before. The world is always here, Emma. You just need to look. It feels different walking like this. No phone in my hand. Different is good sometimes. Just feel the morning. The air feels fresh and quiet. I like this just a little. Just a little. Come on, keep walking. It gets better. Oh, the smell. The bakery smells so good. Yes, fresh bread. Warm bread. Look at that bread. It looks so soft. It is baked fresh every morning. Usually I just order food online. Now I see real bread right here. See? Real bread. Real life. I never stopped here before. Not even once. Because you were always looking at your phone. That is true. I miss so many things. Come on. There is more to see. Let's keep walking. Wow. The bus is full of people. Yes. People go to work every morning. Full? You mean many people? No empty seats? Exactly. Full means no space. A full bus? I never watched this before. I always look at my phone. See? You can learn new things by looking around. Look, Anna. Those people are talking, not looking at phones. Yes, people talk, people connect, without screens. It looks so natural, so easy. Come on. The repair shop is not far. Keep walking. Okay, but today feels very different, strange, but good different. Really? Tell me more. Oh, wow. The trees are so tall. The sky is so blue. Beautiful, right? Yes. I usually look down at my screen. Now I look up. Up is always better. Much better. The birds are singing. I can hear them so clearly. Yes, this is the real world. The air feels so fresh. So clean. This air is free. No phone can give you this. Maybe this walk is not so bad. I am starting to like it. See, without a phone, you can still enjoy life. My hands feel empty, but my eyes feel full. That is the most beautiful thing you said today. Okay, Anna, let's keep walking. I want to see more. Oh, wow. Look at the fruit.
so fresh. Yes, red apples, yellow bananas, green grapes.
The smell is sweet. My mouth feels hungry.
Fruits are good for you.
True. Today feels different.
Hello? How can I help you?
Hi. My phone is broken. The screen is black. It does not start.
Okay, let me see. Yes, I think it is only the battery. I can change it.
Really? That is great.
It will take about 1 hour.
1 hour. Okay, we can wait.
Yes.
1 more hour without a phone. 1 more hour to enjoy life. Maybe you are right. Today you saw the bakery, the flowers, the park, all without a phone.
True. Life goes on.
People walk, people talk, people smile, even without phones. Yes.
We sometimes forget that. Today is a big lesson. Here you are, new battery. It works now.
Oh, wow. The screen is on. It is alive. Thank you so much.
You are welcome. Take care of it. Goodbye.
Strange, I have my phone, but I feel different now. Different. How? Before I felt lost without it. Now I feel free with or without it. Good. You learned something today.
Yes, I learned to see, to smell, to listen, to feel.
Life is bigger than a small screen. Today my phone broke, but I saw the world. And you enjoyed it. Yes. A broken phone gave me a full day. A real day. We hope you learned something special today. Put your phone down even for 1 hour. Look around you. The world is waiting. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe. Yeah. Share with a friend and see you in the next story. Goodbye. Goodbye. Take care.